This next video is going to bring together everything we saw with simplifying algebraic expressions along with everything you've solved with solving algebraic expressions. We're going to simplify and solve problems like 3 times 2x minus 7 equals 4x plus 5. On problems like this, we can't start solving until each side has been completely simplified first. That means we're going to distribute and combine like terms wherever possible before we start solving. And in this case, we need to distribute to get rid of the parentheses, giving us 3 times 2 is 6x minus 7 times 3 is 21 equals 4x plus 5. Now that we've simplified, now we're ready to balance through the equal sign and start solving. The variable's on both sides, so we're going to move the small one, the 4x with negative 4x, to the other side. That's going to create 0 pairs, leaving just equals 5 on the right. On the left, 6 minus 4 is 2x minus 21. Now that the x's are all in one place, we can start moving things away from the x, starting with the 21 negatives, needing 21 positives to get rid of them. When those 0 pairs are removed, we're left with 2x equals 5 plus 21 is 26. And then finally, we can split up that 2x into 2 groups, dividing both sides by 2, leaving behind x equals 13. And we have our solution. So now you should be able to solve some really complex-looking equations using what you know about simplifying and what you know about solving and bringing all of it together. So let's try 3 times 2x minus 4 plus 9 equals 4 times 5x plus 3 minus 7x. Again, before we can do any solving, we need to simplify first. Simplifying means we're going to distribute through parentheses. 3 times 2 is 6x, minus 3 times 4 is 12, plus 9 equals, distribute the 4 through, 4 times 5 is 20x, plus 4 times 3 is 12, minus 7x. But we still can't go to solving because we're not done simplifying. On the left, we've got like terms, so we'll have to combine together the negative 12 plus 9 to get 6x minus 3. On the right, we have like terms in 20x and negative 17x. That's going to leave us with 13x and a plus 12. And now, finally, that we have completely simplified, we're ready to balance and start solving. With the variable on both sides, we're going to move the smaller one. The smaller one is the 6x. It's positive, so we need 6 negative x's to create the 0 pairs, so it goes away. Leaving behind negative 3 equals 7x plus 12. Now that the x is all in one place, we can start peeling away the layers, starting with the adding and subtracting. Get rid of those 12 positives with 12 negatives. Now we have negative 15 equals 7x. We have 7 x's that we need to divide up into 7 groups. So we divide both sides by 7. And since it doesn't divide evenly, x is just that fraction, negative 15 over 7. We've got our final answer. So simplifying first might be necessary. Then we can apply the solving strategies we've seen. It's your turn to practice some of these, and let your instructor know if you have any questions.